Hi, and welcome back to part two of the second series of Maya Rockstar. So, again, we're back here in the Maya perspective view, and we're just taking a look at these different NURB shapes that I created, NURB primitive shapes. I'm going to get rid of a couple of these for now, and let's just take a look at the NURB sphere here. So I'm going to scale this up, and we're going to attempt to make some different types of shapes using the NURB sphere by really editing the what we call hulls here. So you see these little surface, these spans and sections on the surface. These are what we call isoparms. And so in order to manipulate those, let's give this fewer of them. So let's just say I have 10, right? So I have 10 sections here, and those are the isoparms on the object. Now you might want to go into a different view here to do this, but what we're going to do is we're going to look at components now of the NURB. So if you click on this, so remember we have object mode, we have hierarchy mode. So this will select a group, this will select objects within a group, and then here what we have is we select components. So you see right now I have the control vertex selected. So I can go ahead and, I can start manipulating these points, right? So I can go ahead and start changing those points. If I try to change the history at this point, after I've extruded points on here, there is still history on this object, but what will happen is, I might get very undesirable results when I do that. So you want to make sure that before you start pulling points, you have enough information, or you have enough points, or the right amount of points in there before you start messing with before you start messing with the points. Make sure that you've set the right number of points there to manipulate or spans. So you can see that it's fairly easy to kind of just select. What I'm doing is I'm marking with you can use the selection tool, or any of the tools allow you to do the marking, and then I can translate them. So with W I can translate. I can rotate them, that group of points, or I can scale them if I want to make some pointy type of thing. The other thing you can do is use the lasso tool. So you can use the lasso tool here, just like in Photoshop or Illustrator or something, right? And select, you go around and select a group of points like that and start moving them around. Okay.